Do you struggle finding the right part for your vehicle? Well, we can help. Open your web browser of choice and type in metraonline.com. Then click the button to download the vehicle application guide. Make sure to enable macros for Excel. To start, click on the make of your vehicle. Let's say you're looking for parts that fit a 2009 Chevy Silverado. You go to the top, click Chevy, then scroll down to the Silverados. Find the right year range for your vehicle. Keep an eye out for these red marks in the corner of certain parts. They'll provide you with extra information you may need. As you can see, the 99-3305 and 95-3305 fit our Silverado. Here's the wiring we need. And here's the antenna and antenna adapter. Click the bottom left to open up the speaker information tab. We have to scroll down to the Chevy section to look for our Silverado. This time, there's a difference between the standard cab and extended cab, so we have to pay close attention to that. Since we don't have an extended cab, we'll only need to worry about the speakers in the front. Be sure to check back frequently, as these are updated regularly to add new vehicles and product. For any more information on this, you can visit metraonline.com. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.